The eyes are the window to the soul, so we should take the best possible care of them as we can. These complex organs require a variety of vitamins and nutrients to function correctly, and a healthy diet and lifestyle can do wonders. But if your body is deficient in vitamins, your vision may deteriorate, or you may develop some eye ailments due to a lack of vitamins and minerals. Let's explore the 9 essential vitamins for your eye health. These vitamins can help prevent common eye problems like diabetic retinopathy, age-related macular degeneration, glaucoma, cataracts, and many more. Welcome back, viewers. I'm Dr. Farrell and welcome to the Lovers of Good Health channel. Before we begin, kindly subscribe to this lovely channel and leave us a like on the video to support the channel. Thanks for doing that. Now let's begin. Understanding the need for vitamins. Out of your 5 senses, your vision is most likely the most necessary, and eye health can determine your overall well-being. Vitamins and minerals aid in the protection of your eyes from harmful light and the prevention of age-related degenerative diseases. People suffering from age-related macular degeneration, AMD, may benefit from taking certain vitamins. A study discovered that taking vitamins in high concentrations slows the progression of this condition. However, the study notes that taking vitamins can only slow the disease's progression. Unfortunately, no vitamins can stop it. Suppose you are concerned about the health of your eyes and want to learn more about vitamin supplements to delay the onset of eye illness. In that case, you should consult your doctor about these supplements before incorporating new supplements into your routine or changing dosages. Vitamin A plays a vital role in maintaining eye health. Vitamin A keeps the cornea, the outermost eye layer, clear. Found in the eye protein known as rhodopsin and allows you to see in low light conditions too. Although vitamin A deficiency is relatively uncommon, people who experience this condition often develop night blindness, the initial symptom of xerophthalmia, a degenerative eye illness. If vitamin A insufficiency persists, tear ducts and eyes may become dry. Your cornea eventually softens, resulting in irreversible blindness. Vitamin A may protect against a variety of other eye problems. According to some research, vitamin A-rich diets may lower the risk of cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. We suggest vitamin A-rich meals over supplements for general eye health. Sweet potatoes, lush green vegetables, pumpkins, and bell peppers are excellent sources. More vitamin C, please. Your eyes need antioxidants more than most other organs. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that is more concentrated in the eye's aqueous humor than in any other bodily fluid. Aqueous humor is the liquid that fills the cornea of the eye. Observational studies indicate that cataract patients typically have a low antioxidant status. Individuals who take vitamin C supplements have a reduced risk of developing cataracts. Numerous fruits and vegetables, including bell peppers, citrus fruits, guavas, kale, and broccoli, are rich in vitamin C. The most advanced formula for your eyes. When it comes to eye care, Bosch Plus L'Homme is the most trusted name. Its most advanced product is the Ocuvite Eye Vitamin and Mineral Supplement, containing zeaxanthin, omega-3, zinc, copper, vitamin C, and vitamin E, which assist in maintaining your eye health and replenishing critical eye nutrients that may get lost as you age. Ocuvite Eye Vitamin and Mineral Supplement nourishes your eyes at all phases of adulthood. For those over 50, the specialist formulas provide the benefits of a daily multivitamin together with the necessary eye vitamins. Vitamin E is essential for optimal eye health. Vitamin E is a fat-soluble antioxidant that prevents the oxidation of fatty acids. Due to the high concentration of fatty acids in the retina, vitamin E intake is vital. Although severe vitamin E deficiency can result in retinal degeneration and blindness, it is uncertain if there is a further requirement for vitamin E through supplements. One study reveals that daily use of more than 7 milligrams of vitamin E may reduce the risk of age-related cataracts by 6%. Sunflower seeds, almonds, and vegetable oils such as flaxseed oil are the most acceptable dietary sources of vitamin E. The next on our list is B3. Niacin, or vitamin B3, is primarily responsible for converting food into energy. It also functions as an antioxidant. Niacin may help to prevent glaucoma, a condition in which the optic nerve of the eye becomes damaged. When ingested in high doses, niacin may cause impaired vision, retinal degeneration, and corneal inflammation. However, there is no evidence consuming naturally niacin-rich foods has negative consequences. Beef, poultry, fish, mushrooms, peanuts, and legumes are food sources rich in niacin. Lutein and zeaxanthin are essential additions to your diet. Lutein and zeaxanthin belong to the carotenoid family, a class of valuable plant-made chemicals. Both of these carotenoid pigments live in the macula and retina of the eye, where they filter potentially damaging blue light and protect the eyes from harm. Several studies indicate that these plant chemicals may prevent cataracts and stop or delay the course of age-related macular degeneration. A randomized, controlled trial revealed the possible benefits of lutein for cataract patients. Over a 2-year period, those who took supplements containing 15 milligrams of lutein 3 times per week had improved vision. Cooked spinach, kale, and collard greens contain the highest levels of these carotenoids. The next vitamin on the list is riboflavin. Riboflavin, also known as vitamin B2, is examined concerning eye health. Riboflavin may lower oxidative stress in the body, particularly in the eyes. Scientists are investigating riboflavin's ability to prevent cataracts, as riboflavin deficiency can lead to the development of this ailment. Interestingly, many cataract sufferers are also weak in this antioxidant. In one study, those with a higher intake of riboflavin per day had a lower chance of developing cataracts than those whose diets contained a lower intake. The recommended daily intake of riboflavin is between 1.1 milligrams per day for women and 1.3 milligrams per day for women. Oatmeal, milk, yogurt, meat, and fortified cereals are numerous foods rich in riboflavin. Don't forget B6, B9, and B12 vitamins. Combined, these vitamins are optimal for eye health. Additionally, this vitamin combination can reduce homocysteine levels, which are responsible for inflammation, and increase your chance of developing AMD. The investigation of these vitamins is still in its infancy, and studies continue to emerge. A combination of vitamins B6, B9, and B12 may lessen the chance of developing age-related macular degeneration, according to a study conducted on women. Moreover, according to a 2017 study, vitamin B12 is beneficial for dry eyes. In treating dry eyes, B12 pills and artificial tears were effective. Even vitamin A and vitamin D can help prevent dry eyes. Omega-3 fatty acids form cells. Omega-3 fatty acids constitute a type of polyunsaturated fat. The molecular membranes of your retina contain a high concentration of DHA, docosahexaenoic acid, a specific type of omega-3 fatty acid. In addition to helping form the cells of the eye, omega-3 fat has anti-inflammatory properties that may aid in the prevention of diabetic retinopathy. Omega-3 fats can benefit those with dry eye conditions by encouraging the production of superior tears. In this circumstance, a lack of tears causes dryness, discomfort, and blurred vision. Fish, flaxseed, chia seeds, soy, and almonds are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s are also present in culinary oils such as canola and olive oil. Last but not least is thiamine. Recommended as a viable therapy for diabetic retinopathy's early stages, thiamine is also beneficial for lowering the risk of cataracts. A study including 2,900 Australians indicates that a diet rich in thiamine reduces the chance of acquiring cataracts by 40%. In addition, this study suggests that protein, vitamin A, niacin, and riboflavin may protect against cataracts. Whole grains, pork, and fish contain high amounts of thiamine. Consuming a well-balanced diet rich in fruits, greens, complete grains, protein, and healthy fats will provide you with all the vitamins your eyes need. If you feel deficient in any of these vitamins, supplements rich in vitamins can be helpful. The eye is one of the most necessary organs in our body. Have you added some fruits and greens rich in vitamins to your diet? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for your time. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video for more content like this one. Bye for now.